Hey there, Python enthusiasts! Welcome back to the 100 Days of Python series. Today is day 3, and we're going to explore the world of lists and tuples. Ready to dive in? Let's get started. Let's start with lists. Think of a list as a collection of items, like a shopping list. You can store multiple pieces of data in one list. Here's how you create a list. Here's a simple example. Easy, right? Now, let's add items to our list and remove some too. Check this out. Accessing list elements. Now that we have a list, let's learn how to access its elements. Each item in a list has an index, starting from 0. Here's how you can do it. You can also change items in the list using their index. Lists are super versatile and great for keeping track of collections of items. Next up, tuples. Tuples are like lists, but with one key difference: they are immutable, meaning once you create a tuple, you can't change it. Since tuples are immutable, you can't add or remove items, but you can access them just like lists. Check this out. Tuples are great for data that you don't want to change. They are used for fixed collections of items. And there you have it, folks, a quick dive into lists and tuples in Python. Keep practicing, and you'll be amazed at how quickly you progress. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and ring that bell for more awesome Python content. See you tomorrow for day 4. Keep coding.